Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and swatching the Splash of Color Summer Collection from Gelish. This is inspired by the Disney classic, The Little Mermaid. This PR box came with a fun metallic cosmetic bag and 6 vibrant new polishes that offer a nod to our favorite characters under the sea. These shades are unlike anything we've seen from Gelish before, and I could not wait to dive into them.
No pun intended.
So, without further ado, let's get started. First up is All Sands on Deck. This is a soft yellow pearlized polish that will easily become a go-to summer shade. I'm wearing 2 coats here, but I think this color may warrant 3. It's a bit sheer, but that also makes it quite versatile. I'm usually iffy when it comes to yellow polishes, so I wouldn't say that this is my favorite in the collection, but I can really see myself playing with this one at some point this summer. Next is Corally Invited, and wow, the second this brush stroked my first nail, I fell in love. This gorgeous peachy coral cream polish delivers a cheerful summer shade while still passing as a seasonal neutral. So this polish is equal parts fun and sophisticated, and it wears well in all scenarios. You can opt for Corally Invited at the office, at a wedding, to the beach, and everywhere in between. This was my first favorite. Here we have Tell Me About It, and this one surprised me. This shimmery lavender really pops on the fingers, and it resembles Ariel's famous shell top. 2 coats of this is definitely needed, but boy does it wow on the fingers. When the hint of shimmer catches the light just right, it's really breathtaking. I can see myself pairing this beautifully with a colorful summery sundress, and it'll just wear perfect for any summer event. Okay, in my opinion, Ride the Wave may have been the most shocking color in this collection. It's a gorgeous glittery teal shade that is simply delicious. It resembles the sea as well as Ariel's iconic tail. You cannot help but stare at it when it's on your fingers. I'm wearing 2 coats here, and after I finished swatching, I had to go back and put this color on for a full mani. A mani with me video is coming soon featuring that, so stay tuned, but I just couldn't help it. I absolutely love this shade. Here we have You Octopi My Heart. This is a bright and bold fuchsia, and it is so my speed. I love polishes in this color family, and I find them to be crowd pleasers at any time of year. So 2 coats of this offers the most marvelous cream finish, and it's guaranteed to complement all skin tones. I'm so glad to have this color in my collection, and if you're just looking to snag one of these polishes, this may be the one you want to grab. Last but not least is Let's Crab a Bite. Hello, Sebastian and Ariel's infamous red hair. This fiery red has a hint of orange and a pearlized finish that adds a little spice to the traditional red polish. The shade is eye-catching, super vibrant, and incredibly playful. It is stunning. I'm wearing 2 coats here, which I think is just enough. This polish is so rich and a true head turner. That's it for this collection. All 6 colors will be available for purchase before The Little Mermaid premieres in theaters. I will link everything below. I love to purchase my Gelish polishes at beyondpolish.com. They always arrive in perfect condition and they have very fast shipping. You can always use code BELLA at checkout for a discount as well, so definitely take advantage of that. As always, if you're not a gel fan, this entire collection is available from Morgan Taylor in regular polish. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and let me know what your favorite shade in this Splash of Color collection is. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!